The virtual environment is a new pathway for the event's future, and how industry leaders are leveraging it to upgrade the business. Now, our journey will begin. Within events industry and many other business areas, a virtual environment is an optimum solution for cloud-based branded and highly customizable online events experience, where you can connect, engage with your audience around the globe, anytime and anywhere. Let's take a look at how it works. An attendee's virtual experience begins with a registration page, which used for your primary data entry and access to your personal virtual environment. Your environment is infinitely upgradable. The registration page directs users to events' main lobby access, which can host thousands of attendees around the world. The registration page can consist of an option to make your profile public or private. Then from the lobby, you will see all the virtual platform clickable icons, and you will be greeted by a tutorial video or a virtual host on the information desk. Navigation is easy and straightforward to all locations that provide marks, signs, branding options. Expo and meeting rooms are visible and clickable. Your visit to any meeting rooms easily accessible, such as auditorium, breakout rooms. However, the streaming tab can take attendees there. At the lobby, the information desk will be available. Then you will find out your virtual assistant for any help. Moreover, you will see a tutorial video and FAQ file explaining how to use the platform. At exhibition, you can find all the sponsor booths and connect by chat, audio, or video calls. Now, let's take a look at our main auditorium. All attendees can watch the live streaming. Moreover, they can chat or write their questions the same as webinar technology. You can vote for the live polls, which provide direct interaction with the speakers. All presentations will stream the same as physical events, with an option to watch it later with specific conditions. You can even find out the same impressions as social media platforms. Such integrations allow you to reach out and network with wider communities. Let's now move into the exhibition. Here, where attendees can engage with exhibitors. Booths visit experiences are easy to run a welcome video, or to explore PDF files, or even interact with sponsor representatives. The fantastic option of virtual briefcases, you can save watched materials like PDF files or stream videos links. A virtual briefcase is an optimum solution for further professional archiving process.